Hello and welcome back. Today we're working on a Macbook Pro A1707 that is not power on. The seller listed this as not working, and he also said that it was taken to a repair shop and it was fixed and it did work for a couple of months and then it just stopped. Since he didn't want to bother anymore by going back and forth, he just decided to sell it as defective. So let's go ahead and check what this does. If you connect the power supply on the top USB-C port, it negotiates 20 volts, it loops, and then it starts drawing some current, and eventually it's in a semi-on state where the trackpad clicks, but we have no other activity whatsoever, and obviously nothing on the screen. So I think that if we connect it to the other port, it will do the same thing, and it does. Stays firmly on 1.3 amps. Let's check on the other side. Top Type-C port, 1.3 amps, and the bottom one, same deal. Let's see if it stabilizes at 1.3, and it does. Good. Well, good. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but according to the symptom and the current it's drawing, I've never seen something like this, but this was worked on. So let's cross our fingers that somebody did not massacre this, and hopefully it will be something that we can fix easily and make some money off of it. 6 screws on the bottom, suction cup, lift and pull. Easy, right? Right. Let's place this here. Okay, so first things first. We have no cover for the connector, as you can see. The battery flex cable connector here is missing its lock. So, and this does not seem to want to come out. Is it soldered in? What the hell is this? Oh my god. I feel like I'm in a rabbit hole already. I don't know what has been done in there. Let me just check under the microscope. So this is what it looks like under the microscope. Apparently, when I try to pull this, I don't know if it's moving or not. Nope, I don't think it's moving at all. I think there's some sort of... What if we twist it like that? Nope. Can I give up already? Will it be okay? Will you guys forgive me if I give up? There's some glue here, and there's some flux residue here. Let's start, and we'll check along the way. Let's remove the screws on the logic board first. I think this is gonna be a waste of money, trust me. I don't even know if the screen works, because as you can see, it's not in the best of shapes, and there is some scratching here, and the coat, of course, has gone bye-bye, but we'll see. We'll keep a positive attitude. Let's just remove as many things as we can, and then we'll focus on the things that we cannot. Let's remove the shields on the trackpad and the keyboard connector here. Okay. Off you go. 1, 2 screws, and then we can remove 1 and 2 and 3 more. Oh wait, someone has also fixed, I don't know if it's been fixed or tried to fix the flex gate issue. Two issues so far. Can we expect more? Why wouldn't we be expecting more? Oh wait, I found another one. 3 issues so far. Someone has done something to the CD3215 here. You see that? There's flux all over it. 3 issues so far. Oh wait, 3 issues. How does someone show 3? 3 issues. Moving along. Not this screwdriver, this screwdriver. Okay, so what's left? It's left the LCD cable and the 2 big screws on the heatsink. Does this screw work? Okay, it's off. And this one is out as well. And now we're left with the battery cable issue. And let's remove this. Anyway, let's disconnect this and the touch bar connector there, so we can remove, come on. Okay, so how many issues did we have? 3? There seems to be some work done on this CD as well, and on the other side as well. And I noticed that there is some flux here, which if someone has touched or reflowed the CPU, I'm giving up. I'm not even gonna bother. Let me just remove the heatsink. I mean, I could mess with the CD3215s being touched, or the battery connector, or the battery itself. But replacing the CPU on this model, I mean, it's not that I don't have a CPU from another board, but yeah, there has been some serious reflowing around here. Yes, sure, why not? Why not? Nope, not gonna mess with this one. Not today. Well, you win some and you lose some. I hope that at least you learned something, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.